Hello children, I am going to read our lesson 1 from your science book. The lesson is living and non-living things. We are surrounded by different things. Some of these are living things while others are non-living things. Birds, trees and human beings are examples of living things. Rocks, tables and cars are examples of non-living things. Features of living and non-living things. Living things can be differentiated from non-living things on the basis of some important features. Living things breathe, move on their own, grow, need food, feel and reproduce. Non-living things do not breathe, move on their own, grow, need food, feel and reproduce. Living things breathe. All living things, including plants and animals, breathe. They need air to breathe. Many animals, including human beings, breathe through their nose. Fish breathe through gills. Insects, such as cockroaches and caterpillars, have air holes called spiracles present on their body. These holes help them to breathe. Plants also take in air through tiny openings called stomata present on the underside of their leaves. Non-living things do not breathe. Living things move. Animals move on their own from one place to another in search of food, water and shelter. Human beings move around using their legs. Birds and insects fly using their wings. Fish swim using their fins. Now plants. Most plants do not move from one place to another as they are fixed in the soil. Non-living things such as stones, toys and chairs cannot move by themselves. They move only when someone moves them. Living things grow. All living things grow with time. A baby grows into an adult. A puppy grows into a dog. A kitten grows into a cat. A chick grows into a hen. Plants also grow. A seed grows into a seedling that may later grow into a small plant or a tree. Non-living things do not grow. Lifespan. All living things live up to a certain age called lifespan. The lifespan of a dog is 10 to 12 years. A butterfly lives for around 20 to 30 days. As non-living things are not born, do not grow and do not die, they do not have a lifespan. Living things need food. Living things need food to remain alive and grow. Plants make their own food. They need air, water and sunlight to make food. Animals cannot make their own food. They eat plants or other animals. Non-living things do not need food. Living things feel changes around them. Living things feel the changes around them. Animals feel changes with the help of sense organs such as ears to hear, eyes to see, nose to smell, tongue to taste and skin to touch. Insects such as butterflies and grasshoppers feel changes around them through special body parts called antennae that are present on their heads. Tigers and dogs have a good sense of hearing. Falcons and hawks have a good eyesight and can see their prey from far away. Cats use their whiskers to feel movement around them. Plants do not have sense organs but feel the changes around them. For example, when mimosa, that is touch me not, plant feels a touch, it closes its leaves. Non-living things do not feel changes around them. Living things reproduce. The process by which living things produce more of their kind is called reproduction. Animals such as fish, snakes, frogs and lizards, as well as birds such as hens, parrots, and ducks reproduce by laying eggs. Their young ones are called hatchlings. Animals such as lions, deer, cows, and human beings give birth to babies. Plants such as mangoes and apples reproduce through seeds. Seeds grow into new plants. Some plants such as carrots, money plant, and potatoes also reproduce through their roots, stems, or leaves. Non-living things do not reproduce. Living things give out wastes. Living things give out wastes from their body. Getting rid of wastes is important for their survival. Animals give out wastes in different forms, such as carbon dioxide, sweat, and urine. Plants give out wastes in the form of gums, resins, and oxygen. Differences between living and non-living things. The following table lists the differences between living and non-living things. Living things breathe, non-living things do not breathe. Living things can move by themselves, non-living things cannot move by themselves. Living things grow, non-living things do not grow. Living things have a lifespan. Non-living things usually do not have a lifespan. Living things need food. Non-living things do not need food. Living things feel changes around them. Non-living things do not feel changes around them. Living things reproduce. Non-living things do not reproduce. Examples of living things are human beings, plants, and animals. Examples of non-living things, books, pencils, and hats. Now, children, what you're going to do is, you're going to take a book and you're going to read the lesson aloud. It will improve your reading and also you will understand the lesson better. Okay, bye.